What's up guys, got right here, folding kayak, or whatever you call it. There's a burn for it. As you can see, you can just drop it over your shoulder and carry it. Pretty awesome. So, to put it back in, it's not very heavy, at least not for me. Let me drop the camera a little bit. So, oil kayak, I think that's what it's called. Let's go try to set it up, see what it's going to look like. I'm just going to test it inside of the pool. You know, most people practice their kayak skills in the pool anyway. So let's see if it's gonna float and hold up my 230 something pounds in this folding kayak. Out of the car you probably will have to hike a little bit with it, and you know what, it's a little bit bulky but not super like heavy and annoying. And if you change the shoulder, it's not too bad. It's just like this giant briefcase if anything, but it is a lot bigger than I thought. So let's unbox it, see what it looks like. Sorry about the mess, but that's what I gotta work with for now, because we don't have backyard. It's under construction. So looks like we just loosen this two up and release it. Okay, this is just handle stops. We save those for later. There's instructions right here. Let's see. Okay, this is just a cup. Looks like it. Maybe we'll need it. Okay, there's another. Latch it, couple of them. So they're telling me unfold the box. So there's two handles. The unfolding the box is this way. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Not too bad. Look at that. There's quite a few big folds in here. So looks like I got stuck with this thing. Right here, grab one of this and I guess plug it in into here. Again, it's new, it's a little bit harder. Once it's take its form, I feel like it'll be a little bit easier to unfold and fold it back up. Yeah, I thought it'll be a really easy video to film. Sometimes you get something, you're like, oh my goodness, what did I just get myself into? And now that it's like really nice and tight, you can actually plug this in. But I think we're gonna do final adjustments later. But why not? Pretty nice and easy to adjust it and make it tight. Pretty much same thing on the other side. Looks like we are gonna be using this thing. Yeah, I should have folded this a long time ago when I was doing that. Well, we'll just unhook it real quick. And then this is gonna go into this slide right here, into this plastic end, and it's gonna go into this plastic end, and then we're just gonna pop it in. So finally assemble it, but not without the casualty. This one little clip got broke off, but it's easy to replace. Those things are pretty cheap, but it is what it is. So I was just trying to make it too tight. Whoops, what just happened? So I wanted to see how it looks like whenever you sit down. This is what it's going to look like. All I have to do is grab a canoe thing. Also, you can adjust the legs over here. You can adjust the seat up and down. Okay, definitely not like okay, definitely not like a regular kayak, and I have a canoe, whatever you call it, paddle. But yeah, this is pretty nice and comfortable. Let's see if I can turn around. This is definitely a nice practice in the pool. Ah, don't fall off the ledge. I wish I had actual kayak. paddle. Because this is a canoe. Wow! Taking in some water. This thing is hard. But yeah, as you can see, you could do it. Break. This is fun, and it works for 250-pound person with my broken canoe. I got John. I wish I had a bigger pool for this whole lake. But yeah, with my big canoe paddle. Let's see, I'm gonna come up all the way back. See how fast can I go forward. Okay, it's all the way back. This is awesome. Definitely works really well. And I wish I had a leg because, as you can see, this thing is lightweight. I can swim around pretty good. And very maneuverable too. Let's back up again, go forward. Oh. Crash. Okay, let's go forward. Just don't fall off the ledge. Woo. Maybe you should sit up forward a little bit better. Woo. It's pretty fun, that's for sure. Kinda wanna get the real one. This one is awesome as well. Folding one, amazing. But I don't think I'm gonna unfold it. I'm just gonna keep it the way it is. It's a little bit of a pain to fold it and unfold it, but who knows, maybe I will. But not for the video.